You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this cocktail. Were a name from French originally. If you want to learn more cocktail names that too many people mispronounce, make sure to stay tuned. Alright, so let's break it down. In France, in French, it is said as Kir Royal. Kir Royal, yes. Now, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, should be understandable, you can say it as Kir Royal. Not royal, royal. Kir Royal. Kir Royal. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.